In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorient Shippo PDF labels to print correctly on a Rollo printer. If your 4x6 labels are coming out sideways or rotated, the fix is simple. Make sure Shippo is creating the right file, and make sure your Rollo is told not to rotate it. Let's walk through both pieces so your labels print upright every time. First, confirm that Shippo is generating your labels in the correct 4x6 PDF format. Open Shippo and head to Settings, then Labels and Packing Slips. Under Default Label Format, choose 4x6 in PDF and save. This part matters because thermal printers like Rollo don't try to reinterpret or auto-correct the layout. They just print what they're given. If Shippo produces a label in letter size or another orientation, the printer will follow that file exactly. After updating the setting, regenerate or re-download the label so you're working with a fresh 4x6 PDF. A quick check in your PDF viewer should show a tall, portrait-style 4x6 page, not a letter-sized canvas. Next, if you're still seeing rotation issues, check the Rollo's orientation settings on Windows. Open the control panel and go to Devices and Printers. Find your Rollo, right-click it, and choose Printer Preferences. In there, look for Orientation or Rotate options. Set Rotate to 0, which means no rotation, and make sure the paper size is set to 4x6, sometimes listed as 100 mm by 150 mm. These two settings tell the printer to accept the PDF exactly as Shippo designed it and to expect the correct label size. If you've experimented with rotation before, set it back to 0 so it doesn't override the file's orientation. Apply your changes, and you're good. Here's the key idea tying it all together. Rollo prints the label exactly as it's formatted. If Shippo is producing a 4x6 PDF and your printer preferences have rotation at 0 with the paper size at 4x6, the label will print upright. If something still looks off, it's almost always because the file isn't truly 4x6 or the printer profile isn't set to that size. As a quick tip, preview the PDF before printing to confirm it's portrait 4x6, and when testing, print a single label first to make sure your settings are dialed in. With these two checks in place, your Shippo labels should feed correctly and come out perfectly aligned on your Rollo.